The TOMLOV Autofocus 4K Digital Microscope TM4K AF Flex Arm is a revolutionary tool for electronics repair and detailed inspections. With advanced autofocus technology, it automatically adjusts the focal distance using an AI-driven TOF sensor, providing consistently sharp images even with moving subjects. This feature reduces manual adjustments, enhancing productivity for both professionals and hobbyists. The microscope's user-friendly design includes a fast autofocus system and practical preset focus points, P1 and P2, for quickly switching between different focal depths. This is especially useful for observing uneven surfaces, making tasks like microchip soldering, coin examination, and jewelry inspection more efficient. Its 8-inch IPS screen delivers 4K UHD video, 3840x 2160p at 30 frames per second, and 52 MP image clarity with exceptional color accuracy. This high-resolution display provides an immersive and detailed viewing experience, perfect for precision work. The upgraded Flex Arm stand offers vertical and horizontal adjustments with 360 degrees rotation, allowing flexible positioning. The tri-screen real-time display supports HDMI and USB output, enabling simultaneous viewing on multiple screens, ideal for professional repairs and educational demonstrations. Enhanced with a bright ring light, the microscope ensures uniform illumination for clear visibility. It also features an impressive 2000x zoom for detailed exploration of tiny specimens. The included 64GB micro SD card allows ample storage for capturing images and videos, while the smart controller enables hands-free operation for added convenience. The TOMLOV TM4K AF Flex Arm microscope combines advanced technology with ease of use, offering unparalleled clarity, precision, and flexibility. It is a valuable tool for electronics repair, scientific research, and educational purposes.